हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। कल हमने सेक्शन सी और सेक्शन बी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को डिस्कस किया था। लेसन नंबर 3 ग्रोइंग अप पेन्स, जिसमें एक छोटे से बच्चे 14 इयर्स का जो चाइल्ड है समीर, उसके बारे में बताया। एंड द होल लेसन is revolving around the problem rising between the parents and the children, generation gap, understanding gap, or the gap of relation. Today we will discuss the question answer of section D, word limit having 30 to 40 words. आप सभी इनको अपने फेयर नोटबुक में कंप्लीट करेंगे। अब हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। Why was Samir worried about the acne on his face? Samir was a teenager when he noticed acne on his face. He felt very upset, he felt very depressed, and he thought that the acne were playing a havoc with his face. The acne has disturbed, or you can say spoiled, the beauty of his face, and for some time he thought that it is a permanent thing. Yes, this is the question number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. When did Samir's parents grunt, and what did they say about that? When Samir teased his parents by saying that they were overprotective, they were showing overprotection for Samir, they were more careful about the Samir, they were not ready to give him more privacy or freedom, he felt, especially the child felt very upset, and the parents grunt, and they also say to the child that you are too young to take decision yourself, कि अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो और तुम अपने आप डिसीजंस नहीं ले सकते हो। उन्होंने उसको they also show their love for the child, and they say that he was the apple of their eye. Apple of their eye means बहुत प्यारा, बहुत caring. Now we are moving to the third question. How did Samir's mother react when he fell and slipped? जब वो स्लिप हो जाता है, गिर जाता है, तो उसका मदर का रिएक्शन कैसा है? When Samir fell and slipped, the mother did not say anything because she was a kind-hearted lady. She had the feeling of kindness for the son still in the age of teenage for him, but his father scolded or rebuked the child. लेकिन उसके पिता, उसके जो फादर हैं, वो उसको डांटते हैं इसके लिए, and he says that Samir, now you are able to take or handle the situations well, और इतनी छोटी छोटी बातों पर आपको you are too, आप इतने छोटे नहीं हैं कि आप ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातों पर रोएं, ठीक है? His mother, okay, his father rebuked him on this part by saying that he was no longer a child. यानी उसके फादर ने उसको ये भी कहा कि तुम अब कोई बच्चे नहीं. Why did Samir stamp his feet? समीर अपने पांव क्यों मारने लगा? Samir stamped his feet for showing his anger, for showing his depression, for showing his upsetness. When his mother did not allow him to attend the party after 9 o'clock, he was very angry, he was very depressed, and where he said कि मम्मा I am not too young, कि मैं इतना छोटा नहीं हूँ, his mother denied the permission to attend the party. That's why he stamped the feet. Next question. What do you think about freedom in teenage? According to us, teenage is a very important age for a child. It can make a lot of changes in his attitude, and freedom should be given in the parts of the teenager, especially when he is able to handle the situations and when he is able to take the right decisions or on right time. ये 5 क्वेश्चंस हमने डिस्कस किए हैं आज के इस वीडियो में. दैट्स ऑल फॉर